make some pig's feet, pasta, and crunchy zucchini. You're going to start with these puppies. Wash them good, scrub them, salt them, put them in some boiling water, and this is where we're going. In the boiling water, I usually put laurel or bay leaf, salt, some garlic. After they're really tender, put them in a pan, olive oil, breadcrumbs, start them frying. Let them brown slowly, tender. Transfer them to a larger pan pot because we're going to reduce a sauce around them. Now that's right, that's a half bottle of French wine. And time to start the zucchini. Really simple, olive oil, garlic, and breadcrumbs. Time to add the tomatoes to the pig's feet. Now you see why we got a bigger pot. It's going to have to cook a long time until it's fallen off the bone, and this is what we get on a nice bed of pasta with some crunchy, beautiful zucchini. Enjoy.